Come test drive the 2019 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo radio. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck.